All right, so shortly after their wedding in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic forced Kimberley and Hakeem Atkinson to spend their honeymoon in lockdown. So as soon as travel restrictions were lifted, they made their way to see, well, it made it their mission to see the world. They join us now to share their experiences. Morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Hi, Neville. We're good.
We're good.
Yeah, I don't know if I ever tell anybody who is Hakeem and who is Kimberley. I suspect you can't see that. Hakeem, all is well, sir? Yeah. You good?
Yes, we're good. We're good. It's early. Sun is not out yet.
Yeah.
Where we are, but
So when you said you spent the honeymoon in lockdown, that was actually true that you just never go on a honeymoon because of what was going on?
No, we actually had our honeymoon because we got married in January 2020.
Okay.
And then it happened in March.
Okay.
So we pretty much had like a good little honeymoon period together between March 2020 and
January.
And January 2020 and August down to that time.
Oh.
So it was like a very eventful time for us. Uneventful time for us, but also eventful because it was a nice little period to get together as a newly married couple.
Yeah, I don't know, because I've never been married, I don't know how long a honeymoon normally lasts, whether it's just a weekend or a week or 2 weeks, but the honeymoon that sound like it did long, Hakeem, eh?
No, and it's a period I'm talking about, and I like the honeymoon itself. You know?
It was a sweet honey period for us.
Oh, all right. I read that you're homebodies. Homebodies, unless you don't know what that word means, homebody means you stay in your home. But you guys been all across everywhere in Jamaica and across the world. So tell me when that started and why you started that, Kimberley.
Well, I think because of the lockdown, we were generally homebodies, just our nature. And even now, I wouldn't consider us to be travelers. We just like to find cool places to go to and just push ourselves to go. And I think we were just spurred on because actually in 2020, we both got COVID. So right after we got the COVID, we got released by the ministry on September 18. And by September 19th, we were like, because it was his birthday actually. So by September 19th, we were at a hotel celebrating, and it just kind of kick-started a lot of zest in us.
So Hakeem, the first place you went to, and Hakeem, you have anything to do with this, by the way, or as Kimberley said, we're going here, hon, and you just say, yes, darling. But where was the first place you went?
All right, so interestingly, right out of quarantine, as you said, we really kick-started after COVID.
Mm-hmm.
So right out of quarantine, I went to couples, Tower Isle, for my birthday, and we're like, you know what?
This is nice.
This is nice. And I think what happened is that because we were locked up for so long, we're like, you know what, we need to enjoy ourselves together, you know? So we went to a hotel first of all, but then our appetite was open up.
And you decided then to do what? Every weekend, every month, every 6 months you decide, was it a plan up front that we're going to do this, and that? Or you just get up one morning and say, we could go country this morning. How was it?
That's kind of how we do it. We don't plan too much because too much planning kind of make it not feel so sweet. Yeah. So we'll just get up on a Sunday or Saturday and be like, we haven't been here before. Let's go. Or, so we just kind of go with the flow and just wherever.
Just spur of the moment.
Spur of the moment is mostly our things.
First overseas trip.
Yes.
No, where was the first overseas trip?
We went to Panama for his birthday because we'd never traveled internationally before.
Together.
So together, that is. So I planned his birthday trip for Panama, and from then I think we just kind of, it just helped. It's a whole new world traveling with your partner. And planning it, I planned it myself, but for our second trip, we planned together, so it's a real good bonding experience as well.
Yeah. So you went to the hotel on his birthday. You got Panama on his birthday. So your birthday, just going in the backyard?
No, it's two different birthdays you're talking about. So 2020.
No, that's not. No, I know that. That's why I said you went to the hotel on your birthday. Then you went to Panama on his birthday. So on your birthday, Kimberley, you're just going in the backyard, go sit down. What want to do?
No. So I want to tell you for the story. You see, during 2020, it was our 30th birthday. Big 30 and everything. it was the height of lockdown. Everybody was scared and everything, and I was stressed. I was very stressed in planning our birthday because I had big plans months before COVID.
Yeah.
And then COVID came and just wiped out everything. And it's like I was like, oh gosh, here's the 30th. What am I going to do? Lockdown is like 5 o'clock. And it's like I decided, you know what, I'm going to do a dinner on the balcony. I cooked and everything.
Yeah, he made a charcuterie board.
Charcuterie board.
I never had one.
Had movie night. Put up big screen outside under the stars and everything. Yeah, I had to do that. I had to be adventurous.
No, Hakeem, a big thing. I don't know what that. I can't pronounce that board. What name? What kind of board?
Charcuterie. It's a cheese board. It's a cheese board.
No, he could do that.
So you couldn't just say cheese board, Bridget, and done the argument. Because I try to figure out what I mean a while ago, you know. No, man. So Hakeem, a big thing. So your thing was nice, but yours was you were at home. You didn't go anywhere.
Yes,
fantastic. Where's the last place you went to, locally and abroad?
All right. Well, locally is more recent. In February, we went to Portland for Valentine's.
I love Portland.
Yeah, we love Portland, by the way. So we spent the night in Portland, and then for our second year wedding anniversary, we went to Dominican Republic. So that was really fun for us.
Yeah. The food, we're immersed in the culture, really.
I'm sure again, like
literally, because people thought I was Dominic. I was from there.
It was like, brother, yeah. They were so friendly with us and everything, and walking with him was very.
Yeah. Well, you already tell me that you don't plan it, so I can't ask you where you're going next, because I suspect you don't know.
Well, no, my birthday is coming up in June. Yeah. And I've got some calendar invites from him, because that's what when he surprises me, he'll send me calendar invites and not tell me where, but I have them in my calendar book. So I know I'm going somewhere, going at least 2 places in June. I don't know what yet. So
and I can't tell you that never.
Hakeem is national television. The whole Jamaica want to know. Come, tell me what I want.
No, it's a surprise. It's a surprise. I'm not tell you.
Kimberley look like.
I'll tell you whenever after this.
Yeah, Kimberley look like she know already all she are going on. Kimberley look like she have an idea. No?
She don't do.
Vault.
All right, Vineyard Town, him taking you to, because the greatest place in Jamaica.
Down there next door.
I'm so impressed with you guys. Obviously, you guys are happy, and keep it up. It's always good news to see happy people and happy relationships, because we have so many problems. And because of the pandemic, you are hearing opposite stories to you guys. You're hearing that people spending too much time together when they're not accustomed to that, and they might hurt each other. So this is fantastic. God bless you too. I love the two of you. See? Hakeem, you have to tell me what I'm going quietly. All right, sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Blessings. Take care. Kimberley and Hakeem Atkinson, travel enthusiasts. So after the break, exotic dishes from around the world. Maybe we'll tell them one of them.